Hello everyone, today I am going to start question number 26 from exercise 7.2. So this is the question. Let me take root x as t. Okay, this we are just assuming. Why? Because we know that derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. This is a formula that we know. So let me differentiate both sides. So I will get 2 of 1 by 2 root of x dx is equal to dt. So this will be dx by root x is equal to 2 dt. Correct? Which is there in the question. This part. This and this is there in the question. So I will use it. So let me write down integration of cos of root x into what is dx by root x is twice dt. तो I will write 2 of cos of root x क्या है? root x क्या है? t है into dt. Now cos t integration we all know. Integration of cos t is what? Sin t plus c, and we can write t as root x plus c. This is my answer. Next, this is question number 27, which says root of sine, let me write down, root of sine 2x into cos x dx. So here we can take sine 2x as t. Okay, then differentiate both sides. Sine का derivative is cos of 2x into 2 dx by chain rule. Derivative of 2x is 2 is equal to dt. Right? So I can write twice of cos 2x dx is dt. And this part is there in the question. I can use it. So that by cos of 2x dx is dt by 2. Okay, dt by 2. So I will use it here. Integration of this we have assumed as root of t into dt by 2. Okay, now understood? See this part cos 2x dx is nothing but dt by 2. Now 1 by 2 is out. T raised to power half dt. Everybody knows integration of this is 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Correct? I am using this formula. X raised to power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. And what is n here? यहाँ पर n क्या है? N is half. That is what I am using here. So this 2 and 2 cancel. Plus c. ठीक है? What was t? We have to put it back. t क्या था? t was sine 2x. So I will put sine of 2x power 3 by 2 by 3 plus c. Do it. This is question number 28. See it carefully. Pretty straightforward question. Can I take 1 plus sine x as t? So 1 का derivative is 0. Cos x dx will become dt. ठीक है? And we already have here cos x dx. What we are getting here, correct? So let me write cos x dx is dt. So my question will become dt by root of t. है ना? This is root of t, which is t raised to power minus half dt. So what will be integration? Minus half plus 1 minus half plus 1 plus c by formula. ठीक है? By x raised to power n formula. So this is t raised to power half by half plus c. This half will go up. So this is root of t plus c. और t क्या था guys? t was root of 1 plus sin x plus c. This is my answer. 29th is pretty simple question. Okay, this is from NCERT. Exercise number 7.2. Here we can take sine of log of sine x as t. So what is derivative? Differentiate both sides. So what is derivative of log? 1 by sin x, and by chain rule, what is derivative of sin x? Is cos of x dx is dt. Perfect. What is cos by sine? Cos by sine is cot x dx is dt. So kind of I can see that it is there in the question. So can I use it? Let me just see. Log of sin x, I can write cot x dx. So what is cot x dx? Cot x dx is nothing but dt. Okay, so it will become log of sin x क्या था? I am sorry, total log of sin x I had assumed to be t, total. So this is t into dt. So integration is nothing but t square by 2 plus c. Direct. And what was t? T was log of sin x square by 2 plus c. This is your answer. Try on your own. This is, I think, very easy question. By now you have understood what should we take t. So 1 plus cos x as t. What is derivative? Minus of sin x dx is dt. And which is there present in the question, sin x dx. Okay, so this will be sin x dx is minus dt. So let me use it here. So my question will become minus of dt by t. So minus of, what is integration of 1 by t? Log of t plus c. तो it is log of t. t क्या था? t was this 1 plus cos x plus c. This is my answer. Next देखिए, this is question 31. ठीक है. So 31 के लिए can I take 1 plus cos x is t? So cos x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? Minus of sin x dx is dt. This is question number 31. ठीक है. Okay. But here we have sin x dx. So what we will do is sin x dx is minus of dt. So I'm gonna use it here. Minus of dt by, what will be this? This is nothing but t square. So minus of t raised to power minus 2 dt. ठीक है. तो इंटीग्रेशन विल बी माइनस ऑफ t raised to power, this is minus 2. तो minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. ठीक है. If we simplify, this is, what is this? Minus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 plus c. Okay. And this minus and this minus will become plus. So what we will get here is, we will get my 1 by t plus c. t raised to power minus 1 will come down, which is 1 by t. And t क्या था? 1 plus cos x plus c. Please check the answer. This is very important question, 32. It needs little manipulation. So this is very important question from exercise 7.2. Write down. Can I write cot as cos x by sin x? Can we write it? Okay. Now if I take LCM of these two, so LCM is sin x. So this will be sin x plus cos x. Correct? Okay. Now what happens usually, if you know, if we have 1 by a by b, so what happens? 1 into this flips and come up b by a. That is what happens. So I will do that here. This is 1 by this, correct? So it will be 1 into, the denominator will flip, cos x by sin x plus cos x dx. ठीक है. So here we got this much. What else can we do? So here so far we got cos x by sin x plus cos x dx. In this, can I divide and multiply by 2? Here this, divide by 2, multiply by 2. So this will become 2 cos x. 2 cos x will be cos x plus cos x by sin x plus cos x dx. Correct? This is sin x plus cos x, whereas here it is cos x plus cos x. What can we do? Can I add sin x and subtract sin x purposely? See here, this cos x is still there here, and this cos x is still there. ध्यान से देखिए, only I have added sin x and subtracted sin x for manipulation. ठीक है? And this is what I got in numerator. Now what do you see? Can you see that this is matching but this is not matching? Sin x plus cos x is matching with this, but this is not matching. What can we do? Let's do one thing. Can I write this? Okay, let me just quickly change the order. Plus sin x. First I am writing cos x and then minus sin x. Just changing the order so that I can separate this and this without any sign problem. So I am just writing plus cos x first and minus sin x here. That's all. And down what is there? ध्यान से देखिए, down is sin x plus cos x. So this is just manipulation going on. So now I can separate it out. See, this separate and this separate with denominator. So I can write cos x plus sin x by cos x plus sin x जो भी नीचे था plus integration of this separate plus cos x minus sin x by sin x plus cos x dx. Correct? Now this is same, so this will cancel. So it is 1 by 2 integration of 1 plus what to do with this? This we have to think. It's not very tough problem. You have to just think. देखिए, integration of 1 is pretty simple. That is nothing but x. So this part is done. The first part is done. For second part, can I take sin x plus cos x as t? Yes, we can. Now differentiate. Sin x derivative is cos x. Derivative of this is sin x. Dx is dt. Now can you see something? This thing is matching exactly with this which we have here. Watch it carefully. Do we have it or not? Yeah, we have it. So what will be integration? So 1 by 2x plus this, I can write this entire thing, this entire numerator will become dt and this is t. So what will be integration? Log of t plus c. And what was t, guys? T was nothing but sin x plus cos x plus c. This is my answer. This is very important question. This question is 99% similar to 32. So let me do it. 1 minus tan x is what? Sin x by cos x. Okay? So now we can take LCM here. What is LCM of these two? Cos x, and this will go there and this here. So it is cos x minus sin x. Now to solve it, this will flip the denominator and it will be cos x by cos x minus sin x. Exactly similar to 32 question. Can we divide and multiply by 2? Okay, then we have to just 2 cos x, we can write cos x plus cos x by cos x minus sin x. Perfect. Now you can guess what we did last time. What we did last time in question number 32. We added and subtracted. So let me do add sin x and subtract sin x. Yes, by cos x minus sin x dx. ठीक है? I hope it's okay. Now what we can do is I will take this and take this separate. So let me write cos x plus sin x by cos x minus sin x. I am taking it separate, plus this I am separating out, writing plus because I will write cos plus first and this is later. Okay, this is same thing. It is, if this is a minus b plus, it is same as b minus a, right? Don't get confused, this is same thing. So I am writing cos x minus sin x by cos x minus sin x dx. Perfect. ठीक है? What else? If you see carefully, these two are cancelling. So this work is easily done. 1 and integration of 1 is x only. So this is done. This is done. Problem is here. What to do here? See carefully. We can take this as t here. Was dt, I'm sorry, dx. Can I take cos x minus sin x as t? Now differentiate. Minus of sin x minus of cos x dx is dt. Yes or no? So here I will take minus common, sin x plus cos x dx is dt. And this is what we have here. See here in numerator. Right? This is what we have. So that means I am getting sin x plus cos x dx is minus of dt. Yes or no? Minus of dt, this one. Right? So let me write down here. I am getting, so this was my this assumption part. I am ready to solve it now. 1 by 2 dt minus of dt by है ना? यहाँ पर this everything I am putting in this step. This is dt and this is t. So what will be the integration of this part? Minus of 1 by 2 log of mod of t plus c, and which is minus of half log of t. T was nothing but cos x minus sin x plus, and the remaining part was this, the second part. Okay, this was already there, x plus c, the second part. So the total answer is this. I hope you understood. This is the total answer. Okay, pause it and try on your own. थोड़ा सोचिए, what can we do with this question number 34, which you will find on page number 305. It's a very important question on NCERT 305 page number. In these type of questions, when there are so many sin, cos, tan, बहुत सारे हैं, तो write down, what do we do? लिखिए convert everything into tan x and keep sec square x safe with dx. Usually this will work. If there are so many sine, cos, tan, cot are going on, everything you convert into tan and try to keep one sec square safely. 99% it will work. Okay, so let's try. So this is already tan x. This is sin x into cos x. This sine first I will convert into tan. So can I divide by cos? And here I will multiply to convert this, correct? So this will become root of tan x by tan x. बन गया. इसका क्या करें? ये है cos square x dx. देखिए I need one sec square with dx. तो can I take it up? Cos square up, है ना? Cos square up. तो what it will become? It will become root of tan x by tan x into sec square x dx. Yes. So I got this safe. Rest of it is tan. Let me try now. This is 1 by, this is root and this is without root. So this will be this. Correct? Root of tan by tan x is 1 by root tan x. Now many of you see clearly what is going on here. Can I consider tan x as t? It is just assumption. So sec square x dx is dt. So for solving these questions, you should be very good at differentiation. The derivative of tan x is sec square x. If you don't know derivatives, first solve that chapter and then come back here. Otherwise, you cannot do it. So this is sec square x dx is equal to dt. Now this part is sorted. This is dt. Here this is dt. Sorry, this is dt and this is t. So I am ready to integrate now. Integration of 1 of root t into dt. This is root of t into dt. So this is integration of minus half dt because this is going up to minus half. What is integration of this? Is t raised to power minus half plus 1 minus half plus 1 plus c. Correct? So what we can write here is t raised to power half by 1 by 2 plus c, which is 2 root of t plus c. And what is t? T was tan of x plus c. This was t. Okay, I hope you got it. This is my final answer. Okay, so what was this step doing here? If you have many of sine, tan, cos going on, try to convert everything into tan and keep one sec square safe with dx. Mostly it will work. Okay, then see all the steps slowly. You can pause the video and solve it. Question 35, it's a very easy question. Can I take 1 of log x as t? So what is derivative of this? 1 का तो 0 है. Log x का derivative is 1 by x dx is dt. ठीक है? Which is here. dx by x is here. ठीक है? So let me use it here. So I will get 1 plus log x is t. 1 plus log x is t. I have taken, so it is t square. What is dx by x? Dx by x is dt. So integration is t cube by 3 plus c. And what was t? 1 plus log x cube by 3 plus c. That's it. This question is not very difficult, but थोड़ा सा सोचने का है. So let's take x plus log x as t. This one. So derivative is 1 plus 1 by x dx is dt. Yes. So do you think this is available in the question? Let me see. If I take x common, LCM, so it is x plus 1 dx is dt. Don't you think this is present in the question? Let me rewrite the question. Question is x plus log of x cos log of x square into x plus 1 by x dx. This one, this by this by this. It is there in the question. Can you see that? So this part is exactly matching. Okay, so we can write down here, this is t square dt. See, this is I have assumed as t. So now easily I can integrate it. So t square integration is t cube by 3. And what was t? T was, I have just put the value of t, which is this, x plus log x cube by 3. This is my answer. Let's do next question. This seems to be very complicated question, but if you know derivative, differentiation, if it's strong, then you can do it pretty simply. So here, what is derivative of tan x? I'm sorry, what is derivative of tan inverse x? Because the question says tan inverse. Here, see carefully, this is tan inverse. So derivative of tan inverse क्या है guys? 1 by 1 plus x square. Correct? So we will use this here. And what is derivative of x raised to power 4? Is 4x cube. If you know this, we are ready to do this. Let tan inverse x raised to power is t, power 4. Now differentiate both sides. So we will use a chain rule, correct? So first we will differentiate this and then this by chain rule. First derivative of tan inverse and then derivative of x raised to power 4. Let me do. So derivative of tan inverse क्या होगा? 1 by 1 plus whatever is here, square of that, square of this, into derivative of, by chain rule, derivative of x raised to power 4, correct, is equal to dt. So what is this? 1 plus x raised to power 4 into 3x raised to power 4 dx is equal to dt. That's how we do. I should not write it here like this. Here only we differentiate the second part, which is 3x raised to power 4 dx. By chain rule, derivative of first, which is this part, and derivative of second is this part. Okay? Sorry, this is 3x cube. The derivative of second part is, I am sorry guys, this was x raised to power 4. So derivative of x raised to power is 4x cube. So 4x cube. Let me write 4x cube. ठीक है? We can write it like this, x cube by 1 plus x raised to power 4 dx is equal to dt by 4. Can we write it like this? Dt by 4. This seems to be a difficult question, but it is not at all. Dt by 4. If you observe question, here is the question, and if we write it in a different way, this will become this. Question will become this, guys. your question is this: integration of sine of tan inverse of this x cube dx by 1 plus x raised to power 8. If you observe carefully, this is what we got already as dt by 4. Yes, you see here, this is what we got as dt by 4. And this is what we assumed as t. Hello, this is what we assumed here as t. So let me do, it is sine of t into dt by 4. So what we will get? Integration of sine is what? Integration of sine is minus of cos t by 4 plus c. And what was t? What was t? T was tan inverse of x raised to power 4 by 4 plus c. This is my answer. You have to practice it 2-3 times. Okay? This is the question. See guys, this question seems to be very difficult, but if you have a good knowledge of differentiation, it's a straightforward. ठीक है? आपको ये पता होना चाहिए that derivative of x raised to power n is this. ठीक है? And second formula that a raised to power x is a raised to power x log of e base a. If you know these two formulas, then this is straightforward. Please write down these two formulas in your formula notebook. If you know these two, I'm sorry here, this is n minus 1. So if I take if I take x raised to power 10, so it will be 10x raised to power 9. If I take derivative of 10 raised to power x, so it will be 10 raised to power x log of e base 10 by using this and this formula. Now can you see something? Something is clicking. What? That if I assume this entire thing as t, देखिए, this entire thing as t, I am getting exactly numerator. See here, derivative of this is this plus log of e base 10 dx is dt, isn't it? This entire thing is nothing but dt. So now nothing, dt by t, this is t, and it is nothing but log of t plus c. This is my answer. And what was t? T was this. Very simple question. Okay? Just one more is left. This is very simple and very important question. Sometimes it comes for 2 markers and sometimes for MCQs. इधर एक मैनिपुलेशन है. Do you know one is sin square theta plus cos square theta? You know this. So we are going to apply that here. 1 can I write sin square x plus cos square x by sin square x into, this is into cos square x. I can write it. ठीक है? Now can I split it, this by this and this by this? So it will be sin square by sin square into cos square x plus cos square x by sin square x into cos square x. ठीक है? ये split हो गया. Now what? This and this will cancel. So this is 1 by cos square. What is 1 by cos square? Anyone? Nothing but sec square plus this and this cancel. 1 by sin square. What is 1 by sine square? Cosec square. This is just a trigonometry formula. Now this is integration of sec square plus integration of cosec square. Correct? What is integration of sec square? Is nothing but tan x. And what is integration of cosec square? Is cot x. I'm sorry, it is minus of cot x. You have to keep your formula list with you. This is your answer. You always can keep formula list with you. Integration of sec square is tan x. Integration of cosec square is this. See you in next video. Bye everyone.